So, what effect is inflation and the volatility of the stock market having on the real estate market today? Stick around to the end of the video to find out. Hey everyone, it's Russell Haver with the Russell Haver Group at eXp Realty. And everyone wants to know what is going on in the real estate market this year with everything with inflation and the stock market volatility being all over the place. So great question, great topic for us to talk about today. So we've seen with the stock market has been really volatile as of late. I mean, some people losing values of 30% or so, and inflation, being at a 40-year high that we haven't seen. So what kind of effect is that having on the real estate market today and what we're seeing as buyers in the market, and if you're a seller too as well? So what we're seeing as of late is the offers from the cash buyers are getting even more aggressive. So a lot of these properties that are newer to the market, priced well, good condition, we're seeing multiple offers on them, some 5, 10 offers on them, some even a little bit more. But, cash offers, we're seeing cash offers, people are going over list price and buying it as is. And it's something to know when you are in the market yourself as a buyer, what the competition is doing. I mean, historically, cash buyers usually want to get something at a discount, right? Cash is king. But now we're seeing them do is they're, going over, list price. We had one the other day that was, 20,000 over list price cash as is. So why are they doing that? So it's all about inflation. Inflation, we keep talking about it. And it's something that really has an effect, and that you need to know when you're buying a home, whether you're paying cash for it or you are getting a loan, that, and a lot of these things are getting super competitive. So you're seeing the cash buyers go over, you're seeing the people that are getting loans, a lot of them are just waiving the appraisal and they're just trying to get a home because there's no housing on the market whatsoever. So really, when you go into this, you got to know, well, is it worth it, right? So you got to think of it, to someone who's a cash buyer, money sitting in the bank, losing interest because inflation, 7-8%, they think it's going to go double digit. They want to put their money in something that could possibly appreciate greater than that, right? So for them, it makes sense. Institutional investors that have billions of dollars in funds sitting there, makes sense for them too. Also for people that, we're looking at new construction homes, but the, supply chain issues and build time delays, 9 to 12 months they're quoting on it, right? So there's a lot of issues with it. So, in interest rates, even though we've seen interest rates go a bit, all over the place in the last month, historically still really low. I mean, you're getting something, 3.5, even something that might be, 3.25, close to 4, historically is really good. So if you're buying a home, these are things that you really need to think about. And if you're selling a home, you need to be able to think about, like, what are your options, right? Biggest fear is not knowing where you're going to move. So if you have any questions on the market, whether you're buying or selling, like I said, reach out to us. We have several programs for our sellers to give them flexibility, as well as buyers. We have a love it or leave it program that we are installing. So feel free, reach out, 702-343-6388, or shoot us email at russ@haverproperties.com. Hope you found this video helpful and have a great day.